The world is changing at a pace we've never seen before. Just a few years ago, DVDs and CDs were everywhere. Our shelves were stacked with them, and every movie night started with picking out a disc. Remember the excitement of unwrapping a new album or movie, the sound of the disc spinning up in the player. It was a ritual, a part of daily life. Now, all of that has changed. Today, everything's streamed instantly to your phone, tablet, or TV. With just a tap, you have access to endless entertainment. No waiting, no physical clutter, just pure convenience. The world's stories and songs are always at your fingertips, wherever you are. And it's not just entertainment. Work, learning, and even friendships have gone digital. Meetings happen over video calls, classrooms are virtual, and we connect with friends and family across continents in real time. Our lives are woven together by invisible threads of technology, making distance almost meaningless. The digital revolution is everywhere. One app, one device, one click at a time. Every part of our day, from how we wake up to how we relax, is shaped by technology. It's in our pockets, on our wrists, and even in our homes, quietly transforming how we live. It's not just about convenience, it's about access. Technology is opening doors for people everywhere, breaking down barriers that once seemed impossible to cross. No matter where you are, you can join the global conversation, learn new skills, and reach new opportunities. The world's knowledge is now just a search away, empowering everyone to learn, grow, and create. From children discovering new ideas to adults mastering new careers, information is more accessible than ever before. The power to change your life is literally in your hands. The smartphone in your hand is more powerful than the computers that sent astronauts to the moon. What once filled entire rooms now fits in your pocket, ready to help you solve problems, connect, and explore the universe of information. We carry supercomputers in our pockets, changing what's possible for everyone. From running businesses to staying in touch with loved ones, these devices are reshaping our world in ways we're only beginning to understand. Now, money is the next frontier. Just as music and movies went digital, our finances are following. The way we pay, save, and invest is being transformed by technology, opening up new possibilities for everyone. For centuries, money was physical, coins, bills, something you could hold in your hand. It was tangible, passed from person to person, a symbol of trust and value that shaped economies and societies. But just like movies and music, money is going digital. Payments are made with a scan or a tap, and wallets are now apps on our phones. The old boundaries of banking and finance are dissolving, replaced by instant borderless transactions. This shift is already happening and will change our relationship with finance forever. Managing money is becoming simpler, faster, and more secure, giving us more control and freedom than ever before. We're moving from physical cash to digital value. Every transaction, big or small, is becoming part of a seamless digital ecosystem that connects us all. It's one of the most important tech stories of our time, a revolution that will impact how we live, work, and interact for generations to come. The final piece of the puzzle in our digital lives is digital money. It's the missing link that brings everything together, making our digital world complete. The way we use, store, and think about money is about to be transformed. Are you ready to embrace this new era and discover what's possible? The future is here, and it's digital. Are you ready for the next step? Let's dive in. When was the last time you paid for something big with cash? For many of us, it's hard to even remember. The days of carrying thick wads of bills in our pockets are quickly fading into the past. Our wallets are thinner, plastic cards replaced bills, and now even cards are disappearing. The evolution of how we pay has been rapid, and it's changing the way we interact with money every day. Your phone is your wallet, thanks to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. With just a few taps you can pay for groceries, coffee, or even a new gadget. No need to dig for cash or cards. Just tap and pay, secure, fast, and simple. Digital wallets use advanced encryption so your information stays safe, and payments are processed in seconds. This isn't the future, it's happening now, everywhere. From bustling city streets to quiet suburban shops, digital payments are becoming the norm. Digital payments are efficient, secure, and easy to track. You can see every purchase instantly, making it easier to manage your finances and avoid surprises. Every transaction is recorded, making budgeting simple. Apps can categorize your spending, send alerts, and help you save for what matters most. Businesses save time and money too. Digital payments reduce the need for cash handling, speed up checkouts, and lower the risk of theft or error. We're moving toward a less cash society. Splitting bills, paying friends, or shopping at markets, all can be done with a tap, making life more convenient for everyone. Each step, cards, then phones, makes our financial lives easier and more digital. The transition is seamless, and it's opening doors to new possibilities. Money is becoming digital information, not just a physical object. It moves at the speed of light, across borders and time zones, connecting people everywhere. This evolution sets the stage for the next leap. Cryptocurrency. Digital wallets are already preparing us for a world where money is truly borderless and decentralized. Crypto is the logical next step in our journey. It's a new way to store, send, and grow value, and it's gaining momentum every day. It's not just about convenience, it's about changing how we think about value. Digital wallets and cryptocurrencies are reshaping our relationship with money itself. The world is ready for a new kind of money. Are you? Let's see what's next, as we step into a future where our wallets are smarter and our money is truly digital. The future of money is here, and it's already changing the way we live, work, and connect. Money is going digital, transforming the way we think about and use currency in our daily lives. But so far, it's just digital versions of dollars and euros, still controlled by banks and traditional financial institutions. Enter cryptocurrency, digital money that isn't controlled by any single authority, offering a new paradigm in financial freedom. It's decentralized like the Internet of Money, allowing peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies use blockchain, a public digital ledger shared worldwide, ensuring transparency and security. Every transaction is a block, added to a chain, making it secure and transparent, with each block reinforcing the integrity of the entire system. No central bank needed. Trust is built into the technology itself, eliminating the need for traditional financial gatekeepers. This gives power back to individuals, enabling them to manage their own finances without relying on third parties. With crypto, you control your assets and can send money globally in minutes, often with lower fees compared to traditional banking systems. It's a more open, accessible financial system, especially for those without reliable banks, offering financial inclusion to the unbanked. But crypto has been complex, hard to use, confusing for most people, and often intimidating for newcomers. For crypto to become mainstream, it must be as easy as tapping your phone. Accessibility and user-friendliness are key. New projects are working to make crypto simple for everyone, focusing on intuitive design and seamless user experiences. The next evolution is about usability, not just technology. It's about making digital currency accessible to all. Imagine a world where anyone can use digital money, no expertise required, bridging generational and technological gaps. That's the future we're heading toward, a world where digital currency is as common and easy to use as cash. And that's where Pi Network comes in. Let's explore how this innovative platform is making that future a reality. Pi Network aims to make crypto accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, you can mine Pi on your smartphone. No expensive hardware, no technical skills. It's based on trust. You prove you're real by connecting with others. Just download the app, tap once a day, and earn Pi coins. Anyone with a smartphone can join, lowering the barrier to entry. Pi's vision is to build the world's most widely used cryptocurrency by distributing it to millions before it hits the mainstream. Users are incentivized to build an ecosystem. Apps, services, marketplaces, around Pi. It's about creating a genuine, decentralized digital economy for everyone, not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term community project. You've earned Pi, now what? The goal is to make spending Pi as easy as using Apple Pay. Picture this, at a coffee shop, you pay with Pi by scanning a QR code or tapping your phone. Confirm with your fingerprint and the payment is instant. No banks, no cards. It's peer-to-peer, direct and secure. The Pi wallet hides the blockchain complexity, making it feel like any other payment app. You can pay businesses or friends, split a bill, send Pi instantly, no fees. This creates a true peer-to-peer economy. The aim, a massive ecosystem where Pi is a common currency for goods and services, all powered by your smartphone. What does using Pi look like in real life? Buy veggies at a market, scan a QR code, pay instantly, no credit card fees. Freelancers worldwide get paid in seconds, not days, using Pi. A global borderless marketplace emerges. The Pi community is already trading goods and services within its ecosystem. It's a grassroots movement, building a circular economy. Earn Pi, spend it at businesses, and those businesses pay others in Pi. The more people join, the more useful Pi becomes. It's about living daily life within the Pi ecosystem, not just converting to cash. So, what's the catch? Pi's approach is different, slow, deliberate, focused on community and fair distribution. Pi uses an energy-efficient system based on social trust, not power-hungry mining. It's greener and more sustainable than traditional crypto. The project is rolling out in phases: distribution, testing, then a live network. Transactions are currently within the Pi ecosystem, protecting against speculation. KYC, Know Your Customer, ensures every user is real, preventing fraud. One person, one account. Fair distribution is the goal. Pi is about building long-term value, not quick profits. A currency is only valuable if you can use it. Pi's success depends on its ecosystem, apps, marketplaces, and services that accept Pi. Developers are building dApps for social media, games, and e-commerce, all powered by Pi. Each new app adds utility and strengthens the network. The community is building value from the ground up. Pi's focus is on real-world use, not speculation. Success is measured by utility, not price. Pi is playing the long game, building a sustainable digital economy. We're at a turning point. Money is going fully digital. Pi Network offers a new approach, simple, accessible, and fair. Millions of people, many new to crypto, are joining this movement. The technology is easy. Just tap your phone. The foundation is set. A global user base, secure payments, and a growing ecosystem. The power of Pi is its community. People like you, building a new digital future. By joining, you're not just a user, you're a stakeholder in a global economy. You help shape the future, one tap at a time. Your phone becomes a tool for creation, not just consumption. The journey is ongoing, but the vision is clear. Together, we're building something lasting and powerful. The next evolution of money is in your hands.